Alright guys, welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. This is Boy TV. So I believe you are doing this project, alright? This airdrop. I believe you are doing it, and I didn't know I have available tasks here. Let me go and complete them real quick, alright? So, but that is not what we are here for. I'm here to tell you guys how to connect your wallet. So if you have not yet started this project, I will advise you to start now because the airdrop have not ended. It's still going on. I think for the next 2 or 3 months. Nobody knows when that TGA is coming, but the airdrop is still ongoing. So if you have been doing it, this is how to connect to your wallet. And if you want to join, I'll be leaving the link in the comment section so you can join. Once you join, come back and watch this video on how to connect to your wallet. All right. So first of all, you go to if you don't have this, go and download it, please. If you don't have it, go and download it. If you don't have Phantom Wallet, sorry. If you don't have Phantom Wallet, I wanted to start Play Store earlier, sorry. If you don't have Phantom Wallet, go and download Phantom Wallet. So if you download Phantom, I think my own is out of date. I need to update it because I've been busy. I haven't updated. Some of my apps for the past few. So this is the wallet. So if you don't have it, go and download it. But if you have it, come here, open your own. So if you open your own, if you don't have it, install it and create an account. Make sure you save your seed phrase and private keys and all that. Then if you have it, open it. Or once you have finished creating an account, launch it like this. Then once you launch it, let's wait for it to finish updating. So I just finished updating mine now. So you open it. If you don't have accounts, create an account, then you launch it. Let's wait for it to come up. So it's up now. So if you are here on the interface, you click on this plus. Okay, click on this plus icon right here. You see this plus icon right here, click on it. If you click on that plus icon, you will see send, receive, add cash and trade. So click on receive. So if you want to see this feature on your own, make sure you updated your own. All right. So here now you copy this wallet address, this address here. Copy it here. Then now that you have copied it, let me go and show you how to connect it on that project, on that airdrop. All right. So if you come back to this place, scroll down, scroll until where is that place again that says connect wallet? Let's go to wallet. All right, see your Solana wallet address here. So click on it, then you click on paste up. So oh shit, this thing is fucking up. Hold on, this phone is lagging, guy. So if you copy the address, come back to this home page, then you click on this place, on this second one here, right? This one that looks like a net. So if you click on it, scroll down, you will see paste your Solana wallet address. So click on it, then paste the address you copied earlier, then click on pre-claim. Okay, so make sure check it character by character, then make sure the address is correct to avoid losing your token. All right, so read these things and click on yes, address is correct, click on it, then you are approved for the airdrop. So that is just how to do the airdrop. So TG is around the corner, full airdrop details info soon. Keep earning, your state still counts. So keep earning, guys, keep earning. So make sure you keep earning. So I'll be leaving the link in the video description on the comment section. No, comment section will be better, in the comment section, so you can get started now and accumulate. And they give higher points, 500, 750, 1000 and so on. They even give as much as 2000 points depending on if you meet the requirements, right? So keep mining, connect your eggs, do the available task, and stay updated. Join my WhatsApp group in the comment section. I'll be leaving the link there so that you'll be updated whenever any crypto updates comes out like this, and any other making money opportunities. All right, I'll be leaving you guys open to see on my next video. Peace.